Hi there, it's Arena. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am back with another Get Ready With Me, and today I am using the CLIO Pro Eye Palette Air in the shade Rose Connect. Super cute palette. But before we get started, I wanted to just quickly shout out today's sponsor. Thank you to Tokyo Treats and Sakura Co for sponsoring today's video. This packaging on the Tokyo Treat boxes is actually crazy. It's so cute. Look at all of the like little details. I'm absolutely obsessed. It says Japan's best bites at the front, and I'm just in love with these graphics. They're so cool. Tokyo Treats is a monthly fun and exclusive Japanese snack box featuring unique and seasonal flavors all across Japan. Each box is filled with a variety of 20 fun and exclusive Japanese snack items. This box is Tokyo Treats Summer Matsuri Flavor Fest, which is so cute. They include like limited edition Kit Kats, unique flavored chips, and like Japanese sodas sometimes, which is so cool. Literally look how filled to the brim it is with goodies. I always get excited to see like the different types of Kit Kat that they have because each month has like a unique flavor. This month is, let me grab it. Gold. I don't think I've ever tried this one, but that looks really cool. It also comes with like a little pamphlet with all the information on the different snacks in each box, which I love to go through because it's just so interesting to discover like new treats. I cannot wait to dig into this box. Literally so exciting. And of course we also have the Sakura Co boxes. The Sakura Co boxes are literally so cute. They're a little bit more of a traditional version of Japanese snacks compared to the Tokyo Treat ones, which you could probably even tell by the packaging. It's a little bit more like sleek and traditional, which I love. The Sakura Co boxes are a monthly Japanese artisan snack box. This month's one theme is the island of Okinawa. Oh, I miss summer in Japan. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I really want to go to a Japanese beach. Oh my gosh, how cute is this little fish? That's actually adorable. But yeah, the the Sakura Co boxes focus more on like traditional flavored snacks. They work with like local snack makers to bring some of the best flavors from like different cities in Japan. So you discover so many unique and different things, especially if you're not like traveling to all the different places in Japan. You never miss out, which I literally love, and I've never been to Okinawa. It looks so cute and fun. I cannot wait to rummage through all these goodies. I literally discover so many new and unique snacks with every single box, and like my family and friends love rummaging through them. We literally go through like all the pamphlets and just get so excited to try all the different things. The Sakura Co boxes also come with a little pamphlet with like information about the different snacks and like a little bit of information about the city, which is so great because I love to learn like new things. So exciting. I love sharing both of these boxes with my family and friends because they're just filled with so many goodies that I can never find when I'm in Japan, because it's like so hard to kind of discover snacks sometimes if you don't really know what you're looking for. So I love that these boxes curate the best things from like different parts of Japan and like even different seasons, so you're never gonna miss out on anything, and I absolutely adore that. Of course, if you want to pick up your own box, feel free to use my discount code ARENA at checkout, or click the link down in the bio. But let's get on with the rest of the video. Hi, so I'm just gonna start off with prepping my skin, and I'm just going to use a little bit of the Round Labs Birch sunscreen. I keep switching between like sunscreens, so I've been using the Torridon one and then this Round Labs one. I just switch between them depending on which one I kind of feel like on that day. But I've been using the Torridon sunscreen for longer than the Round Labs one, and I actually really like this one. I think it's a little bit more moisturizing. I'm also just going to apply a little bit of lip balm because my lips are so dry right now, and I also cut the side of my lip. I feel like I have a bit of like windburn on my lips, so it feels like really grainy and weird. Next, I'm just going to go into my base, and I'm going to use the CLIO Kill Cover Mesh Glow Cushion. This one's in the shade 4 BO Ginger. I didn't really know what kind of foundation I felt like using today, but then since I'm using the CLIO eyeshadow, I decided I might as well use the CLIO Kill Cover Cushion. I think I did a review on this product, and I actually didn't really like it when I like did my review, but I think it was because my skin wasn't the best in that video, and since then my skin has cleared up quite a bit, and I feel like now the foundation sits a little bit better on my skin. So I do tend to reach for it a little bit more nowadays, but I definitely think it's the type of product that only kind of really looks good if you have like a solid base that you're working with. So I still stand by that review. I will say one thing about this cushion that I do really like. I just feel like you get so much more product out of this type of like dispenser compared to other cushions, which is one thing I do like about the Clio cushions. I feel like this foundation is really dewy, so it budges quite easily. So I'm gonna set it with the CANMAKE Marshmallow Finish Powder. I love this product. I feel like this powder is just like perfect for setting your foundation because it doesn't make your skin look too matte, but still keeps like a little bit of the dewiness, which I really like. So this has been like my go-to powder for like setting my foundations recently. I just quickly filled in my brows because I feel like I've been doing the same brow routine for like the past 7 years, and I just used the Anastasia Brow Dip Pomade. But let's go into the eyes. I might zoom you guys in a little bit just so you guys can get a better view. And today we are using the Clio, what is this called? Clio Pro Eye Palette Air in the color 02 Rose Connect. This is actually my first Clio palette. I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush and take a little bit of Dreaming Shower and just kind of use this to outline my crease a little. I don't really have a crease, so I'm just gonna create some depth in my eyes, focusing it on the outside and then kind of just like buffering it in. Next, I'm gonna take, I think I want to go with like a more light pinky kind of color. I'm gonna take a little bit of this shade down here, Mature Letter, and kind of just focus that. I feel like with this type of palette, I forgot my flat brush. I'm just gonna go in with my finger. It's like I normally don't really wear matte shades, like I always go for like shimmery shades, but I feel like this is kind of like a really nice soft everyday kind of eyeshadow palette if you don't want something too much, like if you're not a glitter girly. I definitely am a glitter girly, but I feel like sometimes there's like certain occasions where you don't want to be wearing glitter, and this is just like a really nice matte soft simple everyday kind of palette. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of this shade here. This one is called Crunch Mocha. I'm gonna take a little bit of Crunch Mocha. It's like got a tiny bit of glitter in it, a tiny bit, just a little sheen, and I'm gonna pop that on the inner corner. Blend it up a little bit and then blend it out. It's got like really soft specks of glitter in it. Very like dainty and pretty in my opinion. I kind of want to swatch some of the metallic-y shades just to see what they kind of look like. So I'm just going to go in with a little bit of Daily Bloom and Personal Pink. Kind of like that. They're really pretty. I think I'm gonna go in with Daily Bloom, which is the top one, this shade here, and I'm going to kind of focus that on the center of my lids. That's such a pretty like metallic-y sheen shimmer. I might add a little bit of the darker shade since it's already on my finger, Personal Pink, a little bit to the outer corners. Ooh, that's a really nice like slightly darker mauvey pink. It's like not mauve, it's more pink than mauve, but that's really pretty. It's like almost a little bit dusty, but like not like an ugly dusty, which I like, because some dusty colors can look a bit like muddy, I would say, but that's really pretty. Oh, I really like that color. I'm just gonna try and do the same thing on the other side, blending those two shimmers together. Oh, they're so pretty. I'm gonna take a little bit of that pink that I was using before, Mature Letter, and just apply a little bit of that on my under eyes. I like to focus like the darker color on the outer corner of my eye and then slowly buff it in. take a little bit of this like light champagne color. This one's called Mood Glowing. Ooh, it's like a really pretty iridescent white pink. And I'm gonna apply that on my inner corners just to highlight my eyes and kind of make them brighter. And I'm gonna try and like tight line my waterline as well with that same shade. That color's really pretty. I'm gonna add like a tiny bit of that to the center of my upper lip, my upper eyelid, just to kind of like draw that light to the center of my eyes. Cute, I like it. I think that's like good for the eyeshadow. I'm gonna try and create a little bit of an egg yolk, and I'm using the Bibia Last Auto Gel Eyeliner in the shade 13 Peanut Beige. I don't have like very much of an egg yolk, to be honest, so I just like to create a fake one with this. I feel like the lighting keeps changing, so I apologize for that, but I'm just gonna add a little bit of this CANMAKE eye baggy concealer just like above where I created that little crease with the Bibia eye gel, just to kind of like bring this area up a bit more and make it look a little bit like more puffy and cute. And then I'm gonna apply a little bit of eyeliner. This is the Heroine Make Smooth Liquid Eyeliner. And now to complete the eye look, I'm gonna add some lashes and mascara. I'm using the Diamond Lashes in the style 3D. I don't know what it says because it's in Japanese, but this is the lashes that I like to use. And I have like this lash glue that I brought in Japan called D-Up Eyelash Fixer. It's what I've been using. There's probably like better lash glue out there, but this is just my go-to one. Ah, I forgot to curl my lashes. Let me just quickly curl them before I put the falsies on. Falsies make the biggest difference to my eyes. They literally give me like double lids. So they turn my mono lids into double lids, and I swear they make my eyes look bigger. I don't even know if these are the lashes that I normally wear because I feel like they kind of look different. And I don't know if it's like a good different or a bad different. But I think I'm too lazy to change them. And I applied them on really nicely today as well, so I think I'm just going to keep them on. But I can't figure out if I like how these look. They kind of look like manga lashes because they're like clumpy, but also like a little strange. Okay, let's add mascara on the bottom lashes and see if that makes it any nicer. I like to go in with like the Etude House Dr. Mascara Fixer Primer, and then the Heroine Make Long Mascara Super Waterproof. So I mix these two, but I kind of only really apply mascara to my bottom lashes because I don't know why. I feel like when I have mascara on my like upper lashes, it irritates my eyes, and then like the water and stuff like that. I only ever apply mascara to my bottom lashes when I'm wearing falsies. But then if I'm not wearing falsies, then I'll put it on my top lashes, but they just get irritated. So I think I'm done with the eyes. Let's go and complete the rest of the face. I'm going to go in with a little bit of the DASIQUE Blending Mix Cheek in the shade 07 Candy Berry. I like to kind of mix like all these shades together and just to kind of apply it to the apple of my cheeks, just like here, and slightly pat that in. And this blush actually like complements the eye look really well because they're kind of almost like the similar shade of warm pink. I like to blend it a little bit up. Perfect. And I'm going to take a little bit of bronzer. So this is the Ambient Light Bronzer. I've used it for so long that it's like coming off. Diffuse Bronze Light from Hourglass. And I forgot my bronzer brush. I'm just going to go in a little bit with my finger and just kind of define my nose a tiny bit on the sides, just to bring a little bit more structure to my face. My camera just ran out of storage, so I quickly erased some of my previous footage, and I was messing around with my makeup, so I think I like curled my lashes so they might look slightly different. But I just finished contouring my nose. Lastly, to complete the look, I'm gonna apply a little bit of the Peri Ink Mood Glow Tint. This one's in the shade number 3. I've been really loving these glow tints. I think that the shades are just really like neutral. Like I feel like they look like your lip color but like nicer. My lips are super dry at the moment because I told you, like, I think I got like windburn on my lips, so they feel grainy. I've been trying to moisturize them, and then I also cut my lip, but let's just apply this on top and pray for the best. But like, yeah, don't you think this lip color is like so natural? Like I feel like it's just such a gorgeous everyday color. And this is the completed look. Thank you for getting ready with me. I still don't know if I really like these lashes or not. I'll wear them and see how I feel throughout the day. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And of course, if you want to support my channel, feel free to use my discount code or links for Tokyo Treat and Sakura code down in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! And of course, if you want to support me and my channel, definitely feel free to check out Tokyo Treats and Sakura code down in the description below, or use my discount a.luunaaa at checkout, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!